Hi there, this is Gianna from the Charts team. In this demo, I'll walk you through filtering in Atlas charts and the tools available to speed up your data visualization workflow. Filters display a subset of results that match a given criteria. Charts provides users with data filtering in two ways, the Filter tab and the Query bar. The Filter tab can be found right next to the encoding channel, and users can quickly filter data in their charts by inputting a numeric, string, date, or Boolean field depending on the available filtering options. The query bar, located at the top of the page, is a second way to filter data when users need to use a more complex query, such as logical operator queries. For this demo, I'll work with the sample dashboard. To find this, navigate to the Add Dashboard button, click the drop-down arrow, and add a sample dashboard. For this demo, I'll pick the sales sample dashboard. This sample discrete line chart summarizes revenue growth over time from January 2019 to December 2022. I would like to filter a data field to analyze revenue growth on a specific date range. To do this, navigate to the Center tab in the Chart Builder, drag the Date Close field to the Chart Filters section, and select a relative date range. This specifies a range relative to the time the chart was rendered. Let's look at revenue growth from the previous 2 years. And just like that, your first chart has been filtered. Please note that when filtering date fields, users also have the option to filter a period of absolute date ranges and period ranges. A date range is based on a current time when the chart was rendered with a choice of periods. An absolute date range, however, relates to a range between a specific begin and end date. The Filter tab is a great user-friendly way to build charts. However, more than 25% of charts users leverage their MongoDB query language knowledge to write custom queries when they create charts. This is when the query bar is a great tool to use. In our next example, we'll use our MQL knowledge to filter the annual revenue growth for the year of 2022. To do this, navigate to the query bar, write down your custom query, and apply the query to your chart. Here's my query. I'll close this, and I'll apply it to my chart. And here you can see our newly updated chart that shows the annual revenue growth over the year of 2022. Users can also save the newly created query or load a previously saved query by doing the following. Navigate to the query library, click the drop-down arrow, and save the query. Let's call this revenue for the year 2022. Now we can see that this query has been saved. So in case we delete this query, we can load it again and add it right back in. Along with being able to filter charts in the Filter tab and writing custom queries in the query bar, Charts also allows you to filter dashboards by field values. A dashboard filter refines data across charts in a dashboard and allows you to view a common subset of data across the dashboard's charts. Let's filter our dashboard to showcase revenue data related to Canada. To do this, navigate to the Dashboard Filter button and select the value you want to analyze. First, I need to deselect all of the countries to simply focus on Canada. Give your dashboard a second to reload and update. And just like that, your dashboard now spotlights data specifically related to Canada. Users can also further interact with their dashboard filters through editing, deleting, and disabling their dashboard. To learn more about dashboard filtering capabilities, check out our documentation linked below. Now let's recap everything we learned about filtering capabilities in Atlas charts. Charts provides users with data filtering in two ways: the Filter tab and the Query bar. The Filter tab works with numeric, string, date, and Boolean fields to handle most data filtering needs. The Query bar, however, filters your data using more complex queries. Examples of this are logical operator queries or processing your raw data through an aggregation pipeline. The Filter tab and the Query library are designed to speed up your data visualization workflow, get you quickly in and out of your data, and back to your team to discuss insights. Good luck building your next chart, filtering your charts, and thank you for tuning in.